What's up everyone, Talon Sei checking in here again. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your content and maps organized in onX Offroad by using folders. Now is the time when you can go ahead and be the trip leader because folder sharing allows you to organize your custom map content your way so you can easily coordinate adventure plans with your friends or share a previous route. You can add all of the content that you've created, including waypoints, tracks, and map markups to your custom folders, and this really helps keep your adventures organized and also keeps your map clutter-free. So how does this work? First, you can tap on the My Content tab in the toolbar and select Add Folder to create a new folder. Tap Add Content and you can select from your list of content, or you can pan around your map and add waypoints, tracks, and other custom map marks. To access, edit, and share your content, select the folder that you want and tap an option at the bottom. You can even take it a step further and almost archive your previous trips. With all of your content in a folder, all you have to do is tap on the folder. That will then select all of that content on your map and then check Hide on Map at the top. Hopefully these were some quick tips for you guys to keep your maps organized, and also it's a really good way to share your adventures with your friends. My personal favorite way to use it is to create a big trip with route builder and waypoints and all sorts of other data. I then compile all of that stuff into a folder and then I share that with my friends that I'm going to be taking that trip with. So if you guys have any questions on folders or folder sharing, let me know in the comments down below, and consider clicking subscribe for some more pro tips like this in the future.